to the family of the late Rita Tinina, the church, fellow mourners, I stand before you this afternoon to eulogize a distinguished professional, an accomplished journalist, somebody who has devoted over 20 years of her dear life to serve this country with dignity, with honesty, with integrity, with forthrightness. On behalf of everybody at the Ministry of Information, Communication and the Digital Economy, and by extension the entire executive, I sincerely pass our message of condolences to the family, friends of Rita, and the entire media fraternity. To those of us who have remained behind, please let us emulate and exhibit the values that Rita exhibited, while also at the same time espousing the virtues that she stood for. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Bwana CS.